for our routine weekly briefing for Central North Carolina, covering today, Monday, March 2nd through Sunday, March 8th. This week is Severe Weather Preparedness Week across North Carolina. It started yesterday, Sunday, March 1st, and runs through Saturday, March 7th. As you can see, we have a topic for each day of the week. So yesterday was just an overview of the week, and today, Monday, is the topic of severe thunderstorms and tornadoes. And then we move on to Tuesday, how to receive alerts, and then Wednesday, staying safe during high winds, hail, and tornado strikes. And that is when our statewide tornado drill is at 9:30 a.m. And then Thursday is about lightning safety, and Friday is flash flood safety, and then Saturday is about making a plan and encouraging others to do the same. So again, statewide tornado drill is Wednesday, March 4th at 9:30 a.m. The upcoming weather pattern for Central North Carolina. So as you can tell, if you step outside today, you might need a jacket. It's a little bit cooler today. If you're in the northern Piedmont this afternoon, you'll see some light rain or drizzle over the area, exiting late tonight, early Tuesday. And then Tuesday will be mostly dry with moderating temperatures as a light wind shifts from the northeast to a more southwest wind. Which is a warmer wind. So then with that, we'll have on Wednesday, we'll have dry and warm conditions with temperatures expected to be in the mid to upper 70s. And then Thursday, temperatures continue to warm with that strong southwest flow, and high temperatures will generally be in the upper 70s to 80 degrees. Friday, we will see there's a possibility of seeing some very isolated afternoon showers and storms, and then temperatures will be 15 to 25 degrees above normal, and there's near to record-breaking high temperatures possible Friday through the weekend. So here's a breakdown with the temperature warm up this week. So we do have our forecast high temperatures on the left for Greensboro area, Raleigh area, and Fayetteville, our 3 climate sites, and then the record high temperature and the year it was broken on the right. So as you can see, these yellow boxes that it's within 5 degrees or 6 degrees of record-breaking, the forecast high is near record-breaking high, and then the orange is a few degrees within the record-breaking temperature, and then the big red one right here means it surpasses the record. So on Friday at Greensboro, we're expecting a high temperature of 81, and the record high is 78, last set in 2022. So that's how you read this graph right here. And here we are on our precipitation forecast for the next 5 days. As you can see, today does show a little bit green. It might be a little bit overdone, but we do see 100th to a 10th range over the Raleigh area. And then the farther north you go, you can see a 10th to the 1/4 inch. But generally, we'll expect a more on the low side of the near 100th for Raleigh, and then maybe near a 10th for areas across the northern Piedmont for today, this afternoon and evening. And then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, dry, and then Friday doesn't show anything here, but some models are showing very, very isolated showers and storms. So pretty much our 5-day total is whatever we get tonight, today, this afternoon, and tonight, and isolated on Friday. Here's our drought update. We showed it on the Thursday briefing when it was new, and we're just reiterating how we do still have the extreme drought in areas just outside of Charlotte, and then across the northeast and the northern coastal plain. Everywhere else in Central North Carolina is under a D2, which is severe drought. And the excessive rainfall outlook for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday is 0. And we have no severe thunderstorm potential, but it is Severe Weather Preparedness Week, so we still have to add it. Just to remind you, severe weather is coming soon. And 8 to 14-day temperature and precipitation outlook from the Climate Prediction Center, covering March 9th through March 15th, 2026. As you can see on the left, the red is very above normal. It's favoring above normal temperatures. We're getting into the normal temperatures for the area being in the low to mid 60s and low overnight lows in the upper 30s to low 40s. And then the precipitation outlook is also favoring above normal precipitation for the area. Here is our experimental graphical hazardous weather outlook. It does show lightning for Saturday. There's a little bit of a chance for some lightning on Saturday as some storms could pop up. Otherwise, no hazardous weather. Here is our weather summary and any hazards and impacts. Generally, remember I was telling you it's going to be cold and damp today with some rain and drizzle, mainly along the northern Piedmont, quickly drying out early tomorrow morning, and then rapid midweek warming with temperatures reaching near 80 by Wednesday into Thursday, and then that record heat potential Friday into the weekend with temperatures 15 to 25 degrees above average. Thank you for coming today for our weekly briefing.